if you have been in the crypto space for a very long time, or maybe you just get started in crypto, okay, now you just literally want to know how to trade in crypto, future trading, or spot. Now, let me show you some example. Let me say quality result. Now, here are the other proof right here that I've literally been making trades right here on my spot trading, and I have been making progress of all this. So it's actually a simple method. Now, what I normally do is that yes, I spot a particular cryptocurrency in a specific cryptocurrency exchanger, and then I actually spot the same cryptocurrency in some other cryptocurrency exchanger, and I will make advantage of the price differences. Can you take a look at all the particular exchanger right here on my screen? Now, I am almost in all the cryptocurrency exchanger. Take a look at them. There are a lot of them. So what I did with them is just for me to spot any particular cryptocurrency that is selling on a lower price in exchanger one, and search for the specific cryptocurrency in exchanger two right here, and sell it out if it is higher price right there. So in this particular strategy, you not even need any AI or probably any bots to spot any particular cryptocurrency arbitrage for you. So just stick tuned to this particular channel by subscribing, so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first way to be notified, so that you can actually go ahead and place the trade on time. So take a look at this, my gate.io right here. Okay, so let's go straight to the other cryptocurrency exchanger right here, which is CoinX right now. Take a look at the same cryptocurrency right here. It is selling at this particular price. Okay, so don't move on, wait a while. Now, if you want to spot any particular cryptocurrency that is selling on a low price, just go straight to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. Arbitrage scanner will literally show you everything in deep, and make sure you literally understand what you are doing right here on this particular arbitrage scanner. Okay, so I've made a lot of videos concerning particular arbitrage scanner. You can try it out. Okay, I usually say this as a disclaimer that cryptocurrency is up and down. It is price differences, which is it can come down at any time and can go up. So don't take this as a financial advice, please. This is a disclaimer. I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here. Now you just have to go ahead and take everything in risk. Crypto is risk. Now let's simulate everything with 100 USDT right here. Okay, now you'll be getting this particular amount of this specific token right here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on accept, then click on withdraw, then go ahead and click on unchain withdraw right here. Search for the particular cryptocurrency right here, which is this. Okay, now just go straight to this particular place right here and paste the wallet address. But before you can get the wallet address, just make sure you look for the network right here. It is this. Okay, so just go straight to where you spot the particular cryptocurrency that is selling on a higher price in the cryptocurrency exchanger, so which is CoinS right here, where me literally spot this particular token in. Now I click on assets right here, I click on deposit. Okay, take a look at it right here. I just have to go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency. So I just go ahead and click on deposit address, which is copy the particular depositing address. So now just go straight to this particular gate.io bag, and then go ahead and paste it here. Then just go straight, if it have memo, which is momo number, go ahead and put in the momo number here. If you did not have, go ahead and leave it alone. Now just go ahead and withdraw straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger, which is CoinS right here, and then you will receive the money right here. Immediately just go ahead and sell out the particular cryptocurrency straight to USDT right here, and make use of your money instantly. Okay, so the depositing and the withdrawal is open right here in this specific cryptocurrency token right now. So I believe this particular price will not dump sooner or later. So if you are seeing this video now, you can go ahead and make move. Yes, so now don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, and make sure you smack that subscribe button. It's very important. It helps the channel to grow.